Natural gas daily forecast May 8th, fxempire.com. You can see the natural gas markets had another negative session on Tuesday. Not as massive as we've seen recently, but still losing 1.89%. Still enough to be concerned about if you are a bull. This chart looks very clear to us at this point, and we've been saying for a while that 390 is the floor in this market. Well, we're here. We're actually at 393 and a half as I record this, and we should see very interesting price action over the next couple of days. A daily close below the 390 level for us represents a complete collapse of the uptrend that we've seen since the beginning of February and a resumption of the longer term downtrend. At one point, we figured probably $5, and based upon the longer term charts, $5 did look like a reasonable target. But as you can see, 450 has just basically served as an absolute ceiling in this market. So, that being said, it looks like we are pulling back overall, and now if we had to make a choice now, we'd have to say it's only a matter of time before we break down, back down. Assuming that we do, 370 will be a very interesting spot. It should bring in support, as should 340, possibly even as low as 330. Maybe a little bit of a range in that area. Now, having said all of that, there will be a reaction at 350 just based upon the fact that it's a round number like 350. So there are plenty of targets below that we can start aiming for if we get that daily close below it. As far as buying is concerned, this massive move, remember this candle was like 6.5%, if memory serves me correct, of a loss. We think that it's the beginning of something bigger. So even if we get a rally here, we're probably going to step back and just look for selling opportunities a few days down the road.